Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial. I know I look crazy, but first week of college got me. And with your right hand, 2 fingers to the camera, to the chest and to the face. And from here the most important move is this chest move. Just go down, down, down. And your index finger moves just like you're taking photos with digital cameras. Pause and cross your body and open with your left shoulder. From here you're changing your position. You go a little bit down and with the back to the back. And here, woo, woo, woo. The same move with finger and with neck. And from here you just go jump, cross, return. Jump, down, up. Down, hands down. Yes. Jump, hands down, up, and move your chest. Head on the spot, just your chest. To the side, and bend your leg, yes. And with your hand, just change every 2 counts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now the last part, you just freeze. Do come here move with your right hand. Then hide your face horizontal. Then come here move again only with your fingers for 2 counts. 1, 2. Then with your leg and hip. Step, step, and jump, 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 jump. Down, down, down. Okay, that's it. Thank you for the tutorial. Now practice with slow music.